with rationalization. Okay, welcome to Ameya channel. Today my children are absolutely ready to smash maths. So we were doing rationalization and my children are readily very eager to start the session. So starting the session for rationalization. So last class we have discussed some questions. Mostly what was the question of rationalization? Can anybody tell me? What was the questions? Root questions. Okay. What was the question yesterday we have done? We have started with root questions, beta. So now that was the questions were started with. We were doing like these questions. Root under 5, 1 by root under 5 plus root under 3. And then what you were doing? You were rationalizing it. With what number you were rationalizing? If here plus is there, then opposite to it with minus we were rationalizing it. So root under 5 minus root under 3. So it was exactly coming as root 5 minus root 3. And here a plus b into a minus b. So it will become root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So it was exactly coming as root 5 minus root 3 by 5 minus 3. And that was exactly coming as root 5 minus root 3 by 2. Oh, we were doing this much. And see my children, they've already given me the answer. But Ashwin, wrong. Keshav, correct. Multiplying, but answer, where is the answer? Okay, giving you the question. Ready, everyone? Okay, now that is correct, beta. Root 3 plus. You have to remember, you have to write correct only. Vinith, you are absolutely correct. Ashwin, now you are correct, beta. So ready for the question for today? Let's see who will give the first answer. Let's start the game. Question is 1 by root 5 minus root 2. 1 by root 5 minus root 2. And your time starts now. 1 by root 5 minus root 2. Start answering the question. Fine. Go for the session fast. Tell me the answer. Wow, super, super, very good. Who has given the answer? Root 5 plus root 2 by. First one is Shiva Naresh. Shiva Naresh has given the correct answer. So Shiva Naresh has given the answer. And after that, Shiva Naresh, Vineet has given the answer. Then, okay, who else has given the answer? Root 5 plus root 2. So let's see how many of you have given the answer. Root 5 plus root 2 by 3. Merunisa first. No, Keshav first. Merunisa second. Krishna third. Kanishka fourth. Shiva Naresh fifth. Ashwin, okay. Ashwin fifth. Shiva Naresh sixth. Vineet, Vishan answer is wrong. Now look here, beta, how to do it? You know the procedure. Here it will become root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2. Okay. Now beta, here it will become root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now beta, it will become root 5 plus root 2 by 5 minus 2. And that is what you have made mistake, Vishal. Otherwise, everything is absolutely correct. So answer is coming. Answer is coming what? Answer is coming 3. I hope my children might have understood how to solve this question. Yes or no? Okay. So now beta, I'll teach you another method. First, I will tell you the properties, and with the help of these properties, you have to solve the question. Okay. So I'm making it a bit difficult for you. First, we know identity property a plus b whole square. When a plus b whole square will come, it is coming as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, beta, when a minus b whole square will come, then it is coming as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now, when a square minus b square is coming, then it will be written as a plus b into a minus b. These properties my children are knowing or not? Tell me. You are knowing these three properties now? Ekta, you know, Sharmila, you know these properties, beta?
Yes.
Okay. All of you are knowing this property? Good. Very good. So, beta, based on this, we will solve questions. Okay. So, if someone will give
Okay,
you
ma'am.
2 root 7 plus root 5 whole square, then what answer you are going to write? 2 root 7 plus root 5 whole square. That means out of this, which property it is matching? A plus B whole square property. That means this one will be considered as A and this one will be considered as B. Then we have to write in that format. That is 2 root 7 A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 2 into 2 root 7 into root 5 beta. So this one will become 2 root 7. That means 2 root 7 will be written 2 times. It will come 4 into 7. Root 7 will bring you 7. So 4 sevens are 28. Root 5 into root 5 will give you 5. Then 2 twos are 4. 7 fives are 35. So it is giving answer 33 plus 4 root 35. I hope my children understood how to do it, beta. Understood how to do that? Quickly say me, understood how to do that? Only Darshini is telling she under. Oh, Darshini, no.
Ma'am.
Kritika, Kanishka, Ashwin,
Ma'am.
Merunisa.
Ma'am.
Okay, Marunisha, I'll explain one more time, beta. Look here. Actually, what you have to do, you have to write this one into this formula: a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, what is a, beta? A is nothing but 2 root 7. So, 2 root 7 whole square means you have to write this one 2 times. So, 2 twos are 4 and root 7 will give you 7. Now, root 5 whole square. That means root 5 will be written 2 times. So beta, it is nothing but 5 into 5. When pair will be there in square root, the 1 5 will come out. Ashwin is correct only. Now, fine. Now beta, look here. Here this one will be 2ab. So 2 twos are 4 and 7 root 5 will become root 35. So here 33 plus 4 root 35. Now understood beta? Understood everyone? Okay. So I'll give you one question. Question is 4 root 5 minus root 2 whole square. Now use the property and solve it, beta. And your time starts now. Use the property and solve it. Let's see how my children is answering the question. Okay, Divya Shri 42 minus 8 root 10. V Krishna 42 minus 8 root 10. Jiva 42 minus 8 root 10. Kanishka 42 minus 8 root 10. Very good. Now, beta, shall I solve? We need 42 minus 8 root 10. Merunisa 42 minus 8 root 10. Okay. Now look here, beta. What is the identity formula? Identity formula is a square. A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab beta. Okay, now we will take a as 4 root 5 and b as root 2. Now beta, when we will square it, what will happen? That means a minus b whole square formula, in that we can write. So here 4 root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 into root 2 into 4 root 5. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now beta, 4 root 5 into 4 root 5. That means what it will become? 4 4 just 16 into 5. Beta, root 5 will become what? Only 5. So this one will become 80. Now beta, this one will become plus 2. Super, very good. Minus 4 5s are 20 and beta 2 5s are 10. Root part. If someone will tell you root 2 into root 5, then your answer will become, it is very easy, it is root 10. So it is exactly coming as root 10. So answer is coming 4 4 just 16 and 5 is coming 80 is coming. You are writing 42. You are writing 42. Who is writing the answer 42? Check beta one time. 4 root 5 written 2 times. 4 4s are 16 into 5. 16 5s are beta 80 only, na? So 80. And root 2 square means root 2 into root 2. So 2 will come. That is what? 82 is the correct one. Minus beta 2 4s are 8. And this one will come 10. So 82 minus 8 root 10. Now let's see how many of you have given 82 minus 8 root 10 as correct answer. Keshav, Vishal, Krishna, Jiva, Kanishka, Ashwin. Okay. 82 minus 2 root 10 you have forgot to write beta. Merunisa. Very good. So these children has given the perfect correct answer. So I hope you have understood beta how to solve the question. Okay. Ekta also gave the correct answer. Super. Vineet gave, Krishna gave, everyone. Now you've understood now beta, write one more question and solve. Till you will not practice more, it will not come inside you. Now look here. Next question is root 7 plus 2 root 3 whole square. Now give me the answer. Root 7 plus 2 root 3 whole square. Let's see who will give me the answer first. Okay, let's see who will give first answer. I'm waiting. Okay, Keshav has given first answer, but I'm not going to reveal what answer Keshav has given. Myronisa gave second. Okay, then Kanishka. After that, after Kanishka, So Keshav, Myronisha, Kanishka, Ashwin, Lokesh. Okay. Now let's see how to solve this question, beta. Look here. It is exactly coming as A and B. So root under 7 whole square plus 2 root 3 whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 2 root 7 into 2 root 3. So beta, root 7 into root 7 will become only 7. And 2 root 3 write 2 times. Square means writing 2 times. So 4, 3 3 will be written as 3. So 4 3s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 7 3s are 21. Huh? 3 and 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Sharmila, you have written absolutely correct. Correct only. Sharmila is the first one who has given the correct answer. First, this time Sharmila, she gave the correct answer. Rather than that, nobody gave the correct answer. Keshav, look here, beta. That's why I'm practicing, giving you practice of this. So what you have to do, beta, 7 root means you have to write it 2 times. Now everyone started telling Divya Shri second, Jiva third, Kanishka fourth, Krishna fifth. Jiva, okay. I'll explain one more time. I will give one more question and this time I will solve again. Look here, till you will not understand, I'll keep on sending. Now look here, beta. Root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Then how to solve? You will say formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what is a you are going to take? Root 3. What is b you are going to take? Root 3. So that's why, beta, root 3 minus root 2 whole square. So now it will become a square. That is root 3 whole square. B square. That is root 2 whole square. And then, beta, minus 2 into root 3 into root 2. So root 3 square. See here nicely. Root 3 square means root 3 is written 2 times. So root 3 into root 3 will come 3. Root 2 is written 2 times. Root 2 whole square means root 2 is written 2 times. Root 2 into root 2. So writing 2 times means it will take out 2. Minus without root 2 will be there and 3 2s are 6. I hope my children understood what they have to do here. Say, beta, understood or not? Now understood or not? 5 minus 2 root 6. Correct, Kanishka. Okay. Now, I'm giving you another question to solve, because how much you will solve, that much your hand will become free, beta. It is not about me. It is about you. You have to be perfect. Okay. What you have to do? You have to be perfect, beta. So, get ready for next question. Question is root 10 minus 3 whole square. Now find it. Okay, Keshav has given the answer. This time Keshav is playing clever. Let's see his answer is correct or wrong. Kanishka gave the answer, same answer. R. Vishal gave the answer. Danishri gave the answer. Sorry, Divyashri gave the answer. Ashwin gave the answer. Jiva gave the answer. Okay, now let's see how to solve this question. Again, this is coming as A and this is coming as B, beta. Nivedita gave the answer. Nivedita also, let's see. It will be beta root 10 whole square plus 3 whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Root 10 square means 10. 3 square means 9. And 10 into 3 will become 30. 19 minus 2 root 30. Okay. And 2 3s are 6. Oh, I gave 3. This time auntie is not correct. Beta, because 3 is without root. So very proud to see 3 is without root. So it will become 6 root 10. And the person who has written the answer very fast and correct was Keshav first, Kanishka second, Vishal third, Divyashri fourth, Ashwin fifth, Jiva sixth, Nivedita seventh, Krishna eighth. So I hope my children understood how to solve these type of questions. Now another pattern question I am giving. Root under 11 whole square minus root under 19 whole square. Root under 11 whole square minus root under 19 whole square. Who will give the answer? Super Vishal. Very quick, Vishal has given the answer. Let's talk about other children giving the answer. Ashwin has given the answer. Nivedita has given the answer. First, Vishal. Second, Nivedita. Third, Ashwin. Fourth, Vineet. Fifth, Divyashri. Sixth, Krisha. Seventh, Kanishka. 13 minus 2 root 8, right? Okay, minus 8. Now look here, beta, how to get the answer and what is the correct answer. Now look here, beta. This comes in the formula a square minus b square. What comes? This comes in the formula a square minus. Beta, what is a? A is exactly 11. Root under 11. So root under 11 whole square minus root under 19 whole square. So 11 root square means 11. 19 root square means 19. So when 11 minus 19 will be there, minus 8. Because 9 is a bigger number and in front of 9 minus is there. So it will become beta minus 8. Ready for next question? Correct, Vinit. Super Keshav. Question is 2 plus root 3 whole square plus 2 minus root 3 whole square is equal to what? And your time starts now. One. Vishal, Ashwin, Niveda, Redmi is whose number? Vineet, Kanishka. Okay. Now let me solve this question. This will come under a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is 2 into root 3. Here a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into root 3. Now look here. This one will become 4. Root 3 whole square will give you 3. Root 3 whole square means root 3 into root 3. It will give you 3. So this one will become 3. Now here 2 2s are 4 root 3. And this one will become again 4. And this one will become again 3. and this one will be minus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 went to hell. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7. Now see the speed of giving the answer. Keshav has given first 14 answer. After that, Keshav. After that, Vishal, Ashwin, Kanishka, Jiva, Merunisa, Krisha. All these children have given the answer. So note down the steps, what you have to do to get the answer better. After that, Vineet has given. Vineet, are you not enjoying maths class? What happened to all of you? Come on. You have to write all these questions, but you have to practice all these questions. Okay, Lokesh, Vineet, ma'am enjoying. Then why late? You have to defeat others. Now next question is 2 minus root 3 whole square minus 2 plus root 3 whole square. And your time starts now. Typing speed I can understand better. Say the answer. Try. Don't give up. Okay, some are telling minus 14. How it will be minus 14? Let's see. Beta 2 minus root 3. So it is formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 2 into root 3. Then minus, solve this one in bracket. A square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 3. Now 2 square will give you 4. Root 3 square will give you 3 minus 4 root 3 minus this one will give you 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3. So it is exactly 7 minus 4 root 3 minus 7 plus 4 root 3. Now beta, what you are going to do? 7 minus 4 root 3 minus 7 minus 4 root 3. Minus 7 cancel. It is coming minus 8 root 3. Ish, Keshav, you were so near. Why you have done root 6, Keshav? Yes, Jiva, minus 8 root 3 is the correct answer. Beta, look here. Here minus 4 minus 4. So here minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. So root 3 is exactly, this will not be multiplied with 2. Only this calculation will be done for the number side. So it will come minus 8 root 3. Ashwin, correct. Kanishka, correct. Krisha, correct. Keshav, Vinit, correct. Okay, so that means what now you've understood. I'll give you another question, because once you will understand rationalization beta, after that you will be able to solve any level question. So understanding rationalization is very, very important. Now next question. Two plus root 3 whole square plus 2 minus root 3 whole square. I'll again explain, Ashwin, no problem beta. I'll again explain. I will keep on giving this pattern question. You have to see the video again and again. So today I will send the video. What you have to do, see the video where and what I have done. Okay. Ashwin, don't worry. I'll explain one more time, beta. A plus B whole square formula you continue. A minus B whole square formula you continue, beta. Again, the answer is coming 4. Very good. I repeated the question because I just wanted to know that are you understanding the pattern or not. Look here, beta. This is exactly 2 square plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. That is 2 into root 3. Now A square plus B square minus 2 into root 3. Now since plus is there, so you need not to worry. 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 plus 4 plus 3 minus 4 root 3. 4 root 3, 4 root 3 cancel. 7 plus 7 will come 14. Ashwin, understood this one, beta? Okay, let's go for the next one. 7 minus root 2 whole square minus 7 plus root 2 whole square. Try this question, beta. Okay, now do this one. This side you solve in bracket. Just a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Use the formula and try to get. Keshav minus 14 root 2. Keshav is the first one who solved this question. Is telling minus 14 root 2. Let's see what others are telling. Ashwin minus 14 root 2. Kanishka minus 42 root 2. Vishal 4. Okay, anyone else want to give answer? Kanishka minus 14 root 2. Okay, let's see, beta. Lokesh minus 14 root 2. Let's see, beta, how to solve. Again, it will become a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into a is 7, b is root 2. Then here minus is there. So keep everything in bracket. It is what I told. Now 7 will be written as 7 square plus root 2 will be written as root 2 square and then plus 2ab. 2 into 7 into root 2. Okay, so now what you are going to do, 7 square means 7 sevens are 49. Root 2 whole square means 2 will be written 2 times. Minus 2 sevens are 14 root 2. Okay, now here beta minus bracket part you do separately. 49 plus 2 plus 14 root 2. Now open the bracket beta. 51 minus 14 root 2 minus 51 minus 14 root 2. So here 51 minus 51 will get cancelled. So this one will become minus 28 root 2. Okay, let's see who first gave the answer. Oh. First one, Keshav has given first answer. Keshav, after that Vineet, then Kesha, and then, Keshav, Vineet. Some problem is there here. So that's why the correct answer is exactly coming. Kanishka is telling minus 28 root 2, correct answer. So beta, did you understood today how to solve the question? Ekta again wrote, she also wrote correct. Fine. So beta, did you understood how to rationalize the denominator? Question for homework, I am going to give you beta for practice today. Fine. Now solve this one. 5 by root under 5 plus root under 3. Now solve and tell me what is the answer. Okay, root 5 minus root 3 by 2. You are forgetting numerator is having 5 beta. Vineet, who has written that answer? Keshav, Ashwin, you are forgetting 5 is there in numerator. Why you are forgetting 5 is there in the numerator, beta? Try this nicely. You will be able to solve. Okay, let's see. So this one is 5 by root 5 plus root 3. Rationalize it. It will become root 5 minus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. So beta 5 root 5 minus root 3, and this one will become root 5 square minus root 3 square. So root 5 square 5, root 5 minus root 3, and this one will become beta 5 minus 3 2, and this will become your answer. So root 5 minus root 3, 5 root 5 minus root 3 by 2 is the correct answer. In bracket, Ashwin, you are absolutely correct. But whatever content will come, it will come in bracket. Today, whatever in video, how many questions I have given you, all those questions you have to write in your note. You have to exactly